Hello my cyberspace friends, this is Malu and welcome to another video of my channel. We are gonna do a full makeup with only Dollar Tree makeup. So I have all my stuff here from Dollar Tree. I love going to Dollar Tree because we're using everything from Dollar Store. We got some sponge, one sponge, eyeliner, a lip gloss, contour, mascara, foundation, and another brush. So this is that's it. So let's get started. For the base, I have this moisturizing foundation. That is a foundation over here. I think it's pretty much my color. But also, I don't have a mirror because I'm using only Dollar Tree stuff. Like, I'm not using anything else. The only thing I have apart from Dollar Tree is this, twisters. Because I need to put the lashes on. So wish me luck on that. Because I'm blind, guys. So I hopefully have a mirror over here in this thing. I think that's the only thing it has a mirror to it. So I'm gonna try to put some foundation. Sometimes I don't do it was very hard to pick up the foundation because they only have like a few. Ah! I think that's too much. So let's take some over here. Oh my god, I think it's too dark. The thing is that they have that one that is from L'Oreal, I think. Oh wait, the brand of the foundation, this one. So they have the Sassy Plus Chic. So if you see it here, it's this one. It's supposed to have like different colors. So I picked like the dark one from the one. So it's the fond de teinte hydratante. I don't know any French. So let's read the instructions. To use, apply and blend with fingertips. Anyways, so they have either this one or one that is from BB cream, but I bought the BB cream once a long time ago and I didn't like it because it was too oily. And oh my god, this is so dark. Like, oh man, because it doesn't blend. Like I'm trying to, you know, do slip touch, but it doesn't blend. So guys, I don't know if it is, sorry about that. I don't know if it is the sponge or if it is the foundation, but it doesn't blend. Like I'm trying to cover my face, those spots that I know, but it doesn't feel like I have something. Like it feels that something is there, but also my face is looking oily. I don't know if you see the lights reflecting on my face, and if I touch it, like I get the stuff on my fingers. So what I will try to do, and the package says that to fingertips, so it says that the foundation has to be with your fingers. So I'm gonna try to blend this stuff with my fingers to see maybe. Let's try to, sorry, the things that I have in my hands, look at my hands. One is white and the other one is kind of brown, yellow, I don't know. So I'll put powder. So, oh, I like the brush. It's very soft. So the powder is gonna be another issue because I don't see anything. Oh, there it is. I'm trying to do my best, guys, but these products are not helping at all. Like, no way. So because I have two contour stuff, this, that is the contour stick, you guys see it over here. And also I have this other one that is from LA Color. Oh my god. They're like powder, so I'm gonna use half of my face for this stick and half of my face from this, so to see which one is better from Dollar Store. I don't deny there's some strange. Anyways, guys, So let me get closer. So as you can see, I'm not very professional at this. Let me try to do it like a little bit less. I don't know what I'm doing. So the thing is that with the powder you get like a very dark look, like you could see it, and with this stick, with the pen, you don't see it. Like I try to put it there, like try to, you know, put it, but the thing is that it's so shiny that it doesn't look like something is there, like honestly guys. So I think if you know how to use this stuff, I recommend to get the powder because it covers better. I actually don't know how to do it. Anyways, so the eyeshadows we have. Oh, because I have a sticker over here. So from the eyeshadows, I picked this palette that has those beautiful colors because I love neutral colors. So let's use, for the base, I always put like kind of white on off-white for the base because I like to have like a base color for my eyes. Oh, this is so white. Oh my god. So let's do for the base this color over here, this one over here. So, and let's gonna blend it with, mix it with this color. Let's see how does it look like. I changed the position so you can see what I'm actually doing with my eyes. Oh, let's put the camera over here. Okay, so next step, I just blend this color with this one, and it kind of looks like that. It doesn't look like I put that much of makeup. It looks kind of white. So let's put some brown. Let's use this one over here that is very dark. This one. I like this one. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Wish me luck. Can you see how awful it's getting? Oh my god, I look like a zombie. Oh, that is how it's going so far. It's awful, guys, I know. It's so awful.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So I think our full face, it's done. So what do you guys think? I think it's pretty, it's not that bad. I mean, if you look at this point of view, like, it's not that bad. I won't give it like, I will not buy my makeup in all store. Like, no, I think for, maybe if you buy makeup for a party, I think that's good, but for yourself, like, don't put that stuff in your face. So this is how it looks like. I mean, I'm not disappointed because it doesn't look that bad, but I mean, for dollar stores, everything was $1. So I think if you want to save and you want to just, if you're out of town and you don't want to spend a bunch of dollars on Sephora, Ulta, or any other store, you just want to put some makeup in your face, I think you can save your ass, save your butt buying the makeup in dollar store. You'll have like I don't know, maybe like a medium nice results. I will buy another lip gloss. Maybe, I mean, we're women, so we are gonna take our lip colors around. Like I have mine in my purse all the time because I only use one. But if you want, just, you know, I think it's good. So if you guys thought that this video ended here, you're very wrong, my dears. So after we wait a few minutes, my eye, it's crying, so I'm gonna remove my makeup with this makeup cleansing wipes from dollar store. So these are like wipes makeup removal, but they're from dollar store. I used to use them before I bought the professional ones, like I think it's Neutrogena, I don't know. So those are better, but let's try it, because I was trying to remove like professional makeup with $3 wipes, and I don't think you can do it. So maybe with $3 makeup is better than with $3 wipes. But first, I'm gonna take off these things because I hate them so much. Ah! Oh my god, I hate this stuff. I think I look so horrible. So let's start by taking one of those and see how they work. Okay, cool. I look ugly, thank you. So we're gonna try. Oh my god, the eyeliner is here. I think it's eyeliner with glue. Yeah.